guys, so what I'm seeing here, we're on a holiday, okay? So, bank holiday. So, I'm very, very picky with what I'm looking for here. Um, we had higher time from liquidity. We're clearly bearish as shit right now. We just dropped through all of this, right? So, I'm expecting maybe some sort of a continuation down into this 30-minute fair value gap, just the entry of it. But I need a perfect entry to even execute off of this. I kind of need some proof that we're going to want to continue falling. I mean, this was kind of proof, but we're still kind of wicking through right now. Not 110% safe as of yet, but stop loss resting above here with, like I said, take profit right into that fair value gap. It's probably going to take a very long time because this is 65 points we're expecting market to push. So, like I said, I'm just kind of being picky right now before I actually execute this trade. A little bit different. We have an inverse here on the 5 minutes, so we're disrespecting bearish now. And what I saw was clear displacement coming back into this upside. So what I'm looking for is continuation, right? I'm looking for this continuation up into these highs. Now I'm obviously going to have a break even at some point. Just give me a second. Let me find a break even. Break even up into here, just because these are our next swing highs. So if we can extend up into here, I'm good with having that at my break even. So now we just kind of sit here and wait. We want to see respecting bearish. So if we pull back, it's not the end of the world. Below these lows, just kind of simple. So we'll sit here and we will wait. Once we hit break even, we'll go break even and let's continue. We're on a holiday. I'm not going to risk all that much. We're perfectly in a direction. I mean, there's really no reason we should go back to break even at this point. And if we do, I think I'm going to be wrong on the bias. Therefore, I'm going to be moving to break even at this point. Also, don't get mad at me. I believe this take profit's at over 1,000, which I cannot do on this account. So the minute I'm up like 500, I'm going to be taking profit. Very safe here. I'm not even gonna go break even. I'm just gonna hard trail because I need winning days at this point. Yeah, I kind of want to just hard trail this. We're in profit. Nothing wrong with hard trailing, so that's what I'm gonna do. Nice win. Overall TP was up here, like I told you guys. But I'm up $500. I can't make a $1,000 day on Apex, bro. I'm gonna be screwed. I'm just kind of taking base hits. So this was a little bit more than a base hit. I'm not gonna lie. You know, even though it was still a 1-to-1, we still made a very, very quick $500 simply by reading markets. As you guys can tell, I was very bearish coming into the day. I thought we were going to continue going lower, never entered, then finally entered off of a buy, right? So I switched my bias and was able to catch a win just simply by analyzing the markets, right? What are we doing? We come down, we take 30-minute liquidity. There's no entry on the 1 minute, no entry on the 2 minute. So what does that mean? We go to the 5 minute, we find a fair value gap, we disrespect that bearish fair value gap, meaning price might want to actually start moving to the upside, right? So then once I see that, I go down to the 1 minute for some confirmation. I take an entry, stop loss below lows, and simply targeting our next highs, which is this low resistance liquidity resting above, which, like I said, I couldn't hold till then because then I would be fucked. But at the end of the day, very, very good overall trade. And it's just going to go in the journal as another W. I'm going to journal it like this. But if it was a actual funded account with no consistency or anything like that, it would definitely be resting at these low resistance liquidities. Perfectly managed trade, did very, very well there, secured some profits. And that's how you make a trade when it's, you know, a bank holiday. Very safe, very simple, and just play it smart, guys.